Vikram Singh, just stay with us. The commissioner speaking live.
अभी कुल मिला के 15+3 18 लोगों की इलाज चल रही है और लगभग 107 लोगों की मौत की अभी तक की जो प्रारंभिक सूचना है।
क्या लगता है, भीड़ ज्यादा थी, वहाँ अव्यवस्था थी?
जो घटनास्थल का विजिट आप करेंगे तो ये पता चलता है कि घटनास्थल में पर्याप्त जगह है और प्रारंभिक सूचना यही कहती है कि वहाँ पे जो कीचड़ भरी थी कार्यक्रम के उपरांत जो भीड़ निर्गमित हो रही थी कार्यक्रम स्थल से, वहाँ पे कीचड़ में कई लोग फंसे और गर्मी के नाते सब लोग पानी के जहाँ पे स्रोत था वहाँ पे जाने के लिए त्रस्त थे या उमस के वजह से बचने के लिए जो कर रहे थे, उसके लिए जो भी वहाँ पे जो घटनाक्रम घटी है इसकी वजह से ये इतना बड़ी मात्रा में ये हादसा घट गया।
क्या आयोजकों ने कार्यक्रम की परमिशन ली थी?
हाँ, परमिशन विधिवत परमिशन।
तो कमिश्नर साहब बता रही हैं कि अभी तक जो भी
Stay with him. Unfortunate, the stampede has the death toll in the stampede has risen to 107. Let's once again listen in to the ground reports.
और लोग एक दूसरे के ऊपर गिरते गए। मदन गोपाल शर्मा, सिकंदर राव, आज तक। और हमारे साथ अलीगढ़ की कमिश्नर मैडम मौजूद हैं, इनसे पूछते हैं। मैडम, क्या है अभी तक पूरी घटना में, क्या निकल के आया, कितने लोगों की डेथ हुई है?
आज जो हाथरस जनपद के सिकंदराव तहसील में जो पुलवाई गांव में कार्यक्रम का आयोजन हुआ था सत्संग का, उसमें जो कार्यक्रम समापन के उपरांत जो घटना घटी है वो आकस्मिक रहा है, बहुत ही दुखदर्द रहा है और दर्दनाक भी रहा है। अभी तक हमारे पास जो प्राप्त सूचना के अनुसार 27 लोगों की जो पोस्टमार्टम है वो जिला हॉस्पिटल एटा में कराया जा रहा है। 3 घायलों को वहाँ पे इलाज भी कराया जा रहा है, वो खतरे से बाहर है। बाकी सिकंदराव CSC में हम अभी तक 15 लोगों को इलाज करा चुके हैं और उच्च स्तरीय इलाज के लिए उनको अलीगढ़ रेफर भी किया गया है। बाकी जो मृतक के अभिभावक हैं उनके साथ हम लोग उनके जो मृतक के अभिभावक हैं उनके साथ हमने जिला प्रशासन की टीम को भी साथ में लगा करके उनके सम्मान पूर्वक विदा के लिए की व्यवस्था करा रहे हैं।
कितने लोग घायल हैं, कितनी डेथ हुई है?
अभी कुल मिला के 15+3 18 लोगों की इलाज चल रही है और लगभग 107 लोगों की मौत की अभी तक की जो प्रारंभिक सूचना है।
क्या लगता है, भीड़ ज्यादा थी, वहाँ अव्यवस्था थी?
जो घटनास्थल का विजिट आप करेंगे तो ये पता चलता है कि घटनास्थल में पर्याप्त जगह है और प्रारंभिक सूचना यही कहती है कि वहाँ पे जो कीचड़ भरी थी कार्यक्रम के उपरांत जो भीड़ निर्गमित हो रही थी कार्यक्रम स्थल से, वहाँ पे कीचड़ में कई लोग फंसे और गर्मी के नाते सब लोग पानी के जहाँ पे स्रोत था वहाँ पे जाने के लिए त्रस्त थे या उमस के वजह से बचने के लिए जो कर रहे थे, उसके लिए जो भी वहाँ पे जो घटनाक्रम घटी है इसकी वजह से ये इतना बड़ी मात्रा में ये हादसा घट गया।
क्या आयोजकों ने कार्यक्रम की परमिशन ली थी?
हाँ, परमिशन विधिवत परमिशन।
तो कमिश्नर साहब बता रही हैं कि अभी तक जो भी सूचना आ रही है उसमें 107 लोगों की डेथ हुई है और करीब 20 लोग घायल हैं जिनका उपचार कराया जा रहा है। और जो सत्संग हो रहा था भोले बाबा का, उसकी उन पर परमिशन थी, लेकिन बताया जा रहा है कि जगह जो मिट्टी थी, वहाँ पर जो मिट्टी पड़ी हुई थी वो चिकनी थी, इसलिए पानी फैलने के कारण एकदम भगदड़ मची और लोग एक दूसरे के ऊपर गिरते गए। मदन गोपाल शर्मा, सिकंदर राव, आज तक। और हमारे साथ
What we were unfortunately expecting, the death toll has risen over 107 dead has now been confirmed by the administration. I want to bring Vikram Singh back into this conversation. Vikram Singh, permission was given for this event. How is it that the local administration didn't follow through in terms of security arrangements? And if the numbers had exceeded the permission, why wasn't action taken in due time?
Preeti, I am aghast if the permission was given. It was given mechanically without application of mine. A permission is not that I have to sign on my resignation paper that way. First, understand what are you signing and what permission are you giving. What is the number that you expect and what is the quantum of force? Are you deploying one constable or one home guard per 500 persons? To that token, have you made arrangement for the fire service, for the ambulances, for first aid? Have you made the SOP in position? Have you had a rehearsal? Obviously, nothing like that was done. And then you were caught on the wrong foot and taken by surprise. You did not even expect these numbers to happen. And in the worst case scenario, imagining that you gave to innumerable people. I mean, I've never heard in my life and my career 36 that innumerable people. There's nothing like innumerable. You have to give an approximate figure. A payment for that is received in advance. And also the deployment is made, a rehearsal is done. Then there is also some kind of a coordination meeting with the Sevadars. Here it was almost a free for all, that no arrangements, no rehearsals were done, and it was everything relegated to the Sevadars, hoping that the government himself will look after himself and his followers. Nothing like that happened, and rest has happened. It was a totally avoidable tragedy, Preeti, and I'm extremely sorry to see what has happened.
And it is a tragedy, viewers, of mammoth proportions. In recent decades, possibly the worst stampede Uttar Pradesh has seen, and it's a state which is no stranger to stampedes at mass gatherings, and that's the sad part, because committees have always been set up. Nothing really happens at the back of those committees. This is how cheap life is in this country. Yashovardhan Azad, former IPS Special Director, Intelligence Bureau, also joining us. Yashovardhan Azad, the sad part is that permission was given, that the local administration did give permission. Right now, the death count stands at 107, all set to rise. An FIR has been registered against the organizers, but do you reckon that heads now need to roll where the DM is concerned, where the SSP is concerned?
You know, Preeti, I have a slightly different view. You know, in modern India, there are too many private programs which are going on. And the worst kind of programs which I have seen from my days are these programs of these Babas. Now, when Babas hold their programs, their entire program should be run by them. They earn a lot of money. This program was outside. It was not closed door. When the DM gave the permission or the SP gave the permission, rightly so, you can do this provided you do this. This is a standard thing. It's not a rocket science. Everywhere the organizers cut corners, everywhere the organizers don't want to spend an inch. And in this particular case, Preeti, what really actually happened was very simple. As the crowd was, going out, they were stopped by the Sevadars. They did not have any idea of guiding them. And there were only very few gates. As usual, it happens every time. And therefore, it was made for disaster. Now, as far as the administration is concerned, it is absolutely right that they are supposed to be outside. There were 40 policemen in this case also. They were outside. What happened was inside. Now, the culpability of the district administration, I admit, as Vikram Singh ji says, that yes, the LIU, the local intelligence, when it's a program of, say, about 50,000, obviously they must have taken permission for only 5 or 10,000, I know. So there can be drones. There should have been the intelligence guys over there. They should have given information. And the biggest culpability is that when a tragedy like this strikes, how prepared are you for immediate action, for relief, disaster relief, in which every district is failing? So it's one of the heartbreaking things which will happen in every case, Preeti, mind you, in all these Babas when they hold their camps. And yes, I suppose that the district magistrate and the SSP, their heads will roll in this case. Either they'll be suspended or there is a committee by the ADG and the commissioner which will go into it. I hope there is a judicial inquiry once for all which takes care for all this, because this is a massive tragedy if you're saying 120 people have been killed. And once for all, things should be laid down, whether in the state or in the center. Whenever there is a private program, these are the standards. In Brazil, right, for example, when Taylor held her program, there were lakhs and lakhs who came. The government gave the permission and they were only there for the relief. So I hope something that could be enforced in a state like Uttar Pradesh.
Well, right now, the fatalities stand at 107, but like I said, viewers, all set to rise, counting still. most of them women and very young children. We're going to keep getting our viewers the latest. Thanks, all our guests for joining us on this heartbreaking, tragic, devastating news. This is how cheap life is. And where is the self-styled God man? We're going to find out. Thank you for joining us.